Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Donelle. I am continuing with my MoYou London ABC series. I am on the letter S. I am doing Scholar. These are some just really cute. I don't really know why they're called Scholar. But I mean, they have like little notebook signs and stuff, but like all the little just random images. I don't really know why that's scholarly. And then this one, it has like the alphabets, and that's more, you know, it has the apple, the A plus, things like that. So I can see that one, but the rest of them, I'm like, okay. Anyway, so these are the plates I'm going to be using today. I'm using some pink tips because I thought it would be kind of cute for some of these like little princess things and stuff. So let's get started. I was going to do some words. I was going to do a little bit of reverse stamping for these. So, yeah. I wasn't sure if I was going to do black or if I wanted to do white. I think it just depends on exactly what I'm going to do. These are tips that come, they're BT Art Box. They come in this color, pink already. When I ordered them, it says nude. These are not nude. They're very pink. You can see. Hopefully you can see. Very, very pink. And so I don't use them on my own fingers. But I am going to use it for this because I think it makes kind of a cute little base color for these. So, all right, let's see what we're going to do first. There we go. Didn't miss the ear that time. All right. Excuse me. I'm gonna paint this little guy with this cute blue. Cute. All right. First, I'm gonna do the birdie. I don't think the whole thing will fit. So I think I'm gonna take off the sound bubble. I'm gonna do that little heart in the middle pink. I always forget until I pull it out that this water I'm sorry, that this yellow is a different consistency to the other polishes in this collection. It's more watery. Just trying to be a little whimsy and have fun with it. It's cute. Little monster. All right. I'm using Orly Bonder as my sticky base coat. Usually I sponge this on to make a quick transfer, but my reverse stamping needs to dry. And because this has no polish on it, I definitely need a extra tackiness. Okay. So we'll let these set. Hopefully that works. I really like the fox or cat or whatever it's supposed to be. Okay. Perfect. I'm gonna do the bird slightly at an angle. So that I can maybe add like his little music note. Oh, I must have that upside down. Little monster. Yeah, those are coming out pretty cute. All right. So instead of the little bubble, noise bubble. I just put the little swirly in place of it. Hopefully that makes sense. Makes sense in my head. Let's do something different. Let's pick it up in purple. And paint white. Did I really just do that? Yep, I did. It's not as clean, but it'll work. Butterfly went down, okay. All right, while we're waiting. I love the little birdie. And I really like this little guy too, he's fun. I could have added some more embellishments like the little images, but I don't really think I need to. There we go. Some fun little whimsical images from the MoYou London Scholar Collection. Just quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.